Hi, I'm Sherman Joshua. I'm our Director for Marketing for Connected Services. In Connected Services, we're combining innovative technology from our partners with the integrated architecture from Rockwell Automation and our domain expertise to expand human possibility. We help our customers with several issues, one being bridging the skills gap. We also help our customers with aging infrastructure and improve their operational productivity. We really help our customers address several risk issues, one being safety, the other being cybersecurity. And we're working with our customers to bridge the IT-OT convergence gap. In Connected Services, we're helping our customers improve their operational productivity and reduce risk. We're a people business. It's our people helping you achieve your outcomes, and we do that by leveraging technology.
Hi, I'm Inbar Blankenship, Product Manager for the Industrial Data Centers. This year at Automation Fair, we're really highlighting how we're enabling you to focus on your applications. With a new generation of industrial data centers that have a hyper-converged infrastructure, allowing for easy scalability and a local backup of virtual machines. That, in combination with our highly skilled IT/OT domain experts, we're combining our IDCs with our services to allow you to have a virtualization peace of mind. Dave?
Hi, my name is Dave Mayer, Product Manager within Connected Services. This year at Automation Fair, we are really excited to announce services-related enhancements to the myRockwellAutomation digital experience. Through these enhancements, you will more easily be able to request and track repair quotes, in addition to viewing and analyzing your install base information to make better, more informed, data-driven decisions.
In Connected Services, we're combining people and technology to help you bring the connected enterprise to life. I'm really excited about our new enhancements.